Today I'm showing you how to make eggs on toast in the air fryer. You are going to need bread slices, eggs, salt and pepper. First, I took a glass and pressed it into the center of each slice of toast to make a hole. This creates the perfect little space for the egg. Then I placed the slices of toast into the air fryer basket. Once they were in, I carefully cracked an egg into each hole. Quick tip: use bigger slices of bread and make the hole deeper than I did. Otherwise, your egg might decide it doesn't want to stay in the toast, like mine did. Next, I seasoned them with a little salt and pepper. Simple, but it makes all the difference. You could also add some cheese, chili flakes, or your favorite spices if you want extra flavor. I cooked everything at 190 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, until the egg whites were set but the yolk was still nice and soft. If you prefer your yolk more cooked, just leave it in for another minute. And that's it! Easy, delicious eggs on toast made right in the air fryer. Perfect for a quick breakfast or brunch. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more easy recipes.